Meaning of French fry.
French fry.
French fry.
French fry.
French fry. A French fry is a popular fast food consisting of thin slices of potato that have been deep-fried until crispy and golden brown. They are typically salty and can be served as a side dish to various types of meals, such as burgers, sandwiches, and hot dogs. The origins of the French fry are somewhat disputed, with some claiming they were first made in France while others point to Belgium or Spain. Regardless of their origin, French fries remain a beloved snack food around the world, often served with ketchup or other dipping sauces.